Hello and welcome back everyone on this new tutorial video of app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you the quick process of deleting your history on Reddit. If you don't want others to see your Reddit history, then let me show you how you can easily delete it. Now before I move on and show you, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more interesting videos just like this. Let's head over to the Reddit app. Now to head over to the history section, tap on your profile icon on the top right. From this menu on the last, you will see an option of history. Just tap on the history option and you'll be able to see all of your history of your Reddit account. Now in order to delete them, you just need to tap on the three dots that you see on the top right. Once you tap on it, you'll have an option of clearing the history. So just tap on the clear history option, and once you do, immediately all of your history on your Reddit account will be cleared. This will not only be removed from one device. If you have logged into Reddit on any other device, it will also be removed from that device as well. So that's how easily you can delete your history of Reddit. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos just like this. That's gonna be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.